Digital forms of money are an especially intriguing innovation that can possibly reform the world economy. While some digital forms of money, like Bitcoin, have become notable and exceptionally esteemed, others continue to remain in the shadows. AAVE, for instance, is a digital money with the possibility to turn into a central part on the lookout. In this blog entry, we will investigate what assists AAVE with standing apart among other digital forms of money and why it could worth put resources into. We will likewise investigate the AAVE value expectation and what variables could influence its future costs. In this way, moving along, we should get directly into it. What is AAVE? The AAVE stage is a decentralized loaning convention based on the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to procure interest on their kept crypto resources and to acquire against them. The financing costs are set by the market, and the AAVE convention guarantees that borrowers generally pay more than they get. This framework is intended to be trustless and straightforward, with all exchanges being recorded on the blockchain. AAVE was established in 2017 in Switzerland, up until the rebranding in September 2018. AAVE was known as ETH Lend. Dissimilar to customary loaning stages, AAVE doesn't need a credit check or other monetary information. The stage doesn't require customary security. All things being equal, borrowers can utilize their crypto resources as guarantee. This makes it feasible for anybody with crypto assets to get to loaning administration. Likewise, AAVE utilizes a one-of-a-kind convention called streak credits. Streak advances are transient credits that can be taken out and reimbursed in a solitary exchange. This makes them ideal for brokers who need to make the most of market-amazing open doors rapidly. Ultimately, the stage has an implicit marking instrument that empowers AAVE clients to procure interest on their crypto possessions. This boosts clients to hold their resources on the stage and guarantees that the AAVE biological system stays solid and hardy. Together, these elements make AAVE an interesting and strong loaning stage with monstrous development potential. Based on the Ethereum blockchain and consistent with the ERC20 symbolic norm, AAVE is a local badge of the AAVE organization. Stage clients benefit from holding AAVE tokens. For example, they pay decreased stage charges. AAVE is an administration token that enables clients to decide on choices that might impact the stage's development. AAVE is one of the main conventions in the DeFi space, and its local token, AAVE, is one of the most well-known tokens on Ethereum. AAVE has been functional since January 2017 and has seen critical progression lately. The convention is right now utilized by north of 100,000 clients, with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its agreement. AAVE value analyses, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of AAVE is $58.48, and AAVE is as of now positioned no. 50 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of AAVE is 14,093,193 AAVE, with a market cap of $824,226,052.87. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $1.77 in its ongoing worth. AAVE is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. AAVE has fallen by practically 32.87% over the most recent 7 days. With worries about the related dangers heightening in the beyond couple of days, we don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could areas of strength for half. Inside the last month, the cost of AAVE has diminished by 19.07%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $11.15 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it very well may be a decent purchasing and open door for speedy venture. AAVE value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of AAVE costs expected in 2022, the base expense of AAVE will be $68.92. The most extreme level that the AAVE cost can reach is $75.67. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $72.26. AAVE value figure for November 2022. In light of the value changes of AAVE toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical AAVE pace of $70.16 in November 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $64.14 and at $72.16 individually. December 2022, AAVE value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the AAVE cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $68.92, while the greatest could reach $75.67 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of AAVE may be around $72.26. AAVE value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of AAVE in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of AAVE will be around $101.09. the greatest expected AAVE cost might be around $120.89. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $103.99 in 2023. AAVE Value Forecast 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of AAVE, in 2024, AAVE is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $148.41 and $175.86. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $152.56. AAVE Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of AAVE and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base AAVE cost could drop to $225.04, while its greatest can reach $258.22. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $232.67. AAVE Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of AAVE by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least AAVE costs are normal in 2026, $392.70 and $325.49. By and large, it will be exchanged at $334.80. AAVE Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of AAVE. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical AAVE cost will be around $495.96. It could drop to at least $482.57. Yet it actually could reach $556.17 all through 2027. AAVE Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan gauges at the cost of AAVE. It is assessed that AAVE will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $714.87 and $821.87 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $734.71 during the year. AAVE Value Forecast 2029. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the AAVE's cost. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest AAVE cost of $1,253.46. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $1,041.19. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1,077.92. AAVE Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the AAVE cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their AAVE cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $1,507.79, with the conceivable greatest tops at $1,844.54. Overall, you can anticipate that the AAVE cost should be around $1,550.90 in 2030. AAVE Value Forecast 2031. Cryptographic money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the AAVE's cost. The year 2031 not entirely set in stone by the most extreme AAVE cost of $2,589.